If you've ever felt the urge to ditch your traditional notebook for a digital one, then you're in for a treat. Today, we're diving into the world of Windows Ink, making your Surface device the ultimate tool for jotting down ideas, sketching concepts, and bringing your imagination to life. Let's start with the hardware first. Disclaimer though, you do need a touchscreen device to be able to use touch and inking. The good news, every Surface device is touchscreen, and every Surface, bar the Surface Laptop Go series, supports pen support. Nice! I do, however, find though that the Surface Pro 9 and the Surface Laptop Studio 2's form factors lend themselves particularly nicely to ink comfortably on, so they're the devices that I'll be using today. So, touchscreen sorted. But there are loads of touchscreen devices out there, so why should I get my hands, or fingers, on a Surface touchscreen? Well, the Surfaces that I've got my hands on today use the Pixel Sense Flow display, which can support your artistic endeavours in a few ways. For one, you can put all 10 fingers on the screen at once and have them recognised thanks to 10-point multi-touch. You can use this in a multitude of ways, just like you would with your phone. Use one finger to scroll, 2 fingers to zoom, 3 fingers to swipe between windows, the list kind of goes on. It's also smart enough to ignore your palm or the side of your hand if you like to rest it on your device while you ink. The 120Hz refresh rate is also a pretty nice bonus for a smooth feeling display. So that's 50% of what we need sorted, because we've got the device to ink on. But what about the pen? Well, the Surface Pro 9 and the Surface Laptop Studio 2 are designed to be paired with the Surface Slim Pen 2. You can write, sketch, navigate, and the Slim Pen 2 is securely stored and charged in the Surface Pro 9 signature keyboard, or just underneath the lip of the Surface Laptop Studio 2's keyboard. The Surface Slim Pen 2 is really comfortable to hold thanks to its improved design. A sharper pen tip and improved design means smoother flow and greater control. Most of us also naturally hold a pen or pencil at an angle for comfortable drawing, and the nib on this pen allows you to do just that. And with an impressive 4,096 levels of pressure sensitivity, you can create more expressive digital art with various levels of line and shading techniques. It's also nice to still have that feeling like you're drawing with pen on paper, and thanks to the Surface Slim Pen 2's haptic motor, you're given natural feedback from pressure, strokes, and even drawn gestures. Plus, don't feel the pressure to actually apply pressure. With zero force inking, ink flows fluidly out of the pen the instant it hits the screen, with hardly any latency. The Slim Pen 2 can become a brush, a pencil, or a marker right away, giving the results you need fast. That way, there's zero lag when you're quickly sketching your latest animation storyboard ideas, and you can showcase your talents immediately. Okay, great that it feels natural when you're using it, but where are you actually going to use it and feel normal about it too? Well, kind of anywhere you want, and where it feels most natural to you too. Literally, if you can type it, you can write it. With Ink Anywhere in Windows 11, your handwriting is clearly understood using built-in AI, so you can ink anywhere that you can type, which saves you time and keeps you in a creative flow. If you want somewhere specific to doodle, however, as soon as you take the Slim Pen 2 out of the keyboard, the pen menu will appear. Here, you can add or remove shortcuts to your favourite drawing apps, collaborate on ideas in Whiteboard, and take screenshots of reference materials with Snipping Tool. Be sure to make sure your pen is also set up comfortably for your best experience too by heading to Pen Settings. In Pen Settings, you can choose your writing hand for a more comfortable writing experience, and you can also change what your pen does. This makes your Slim Pen 2 a more natural experience for you, whether you might be designing the next fashion trend or you're just scribbling down your latest project ideas. On that, I do use the Surface Pro 9 all the time to scribble, and if you've seen the state of my handwriting, I do mean scribble, my latest weird and wonderful ideas down for projects in OneNote. However, now I kind of need to share these ideas in the latest team meeting in a presentation, and my handwriting isn't exactly easy to read. No problem, because I'm just going to convert all my handwriting to text. All I need to do is select all my text, then tap the Int to Text button, and it's done. I can then copy that text into any report, PowerPoint, email, you name it. Time saved, and I've not had to compromise on how I want to write my information down. That's pretty much how Surface offers productive and creative touch and ink experiences. making it ideal for artists and creators. But how about doing even more with Microsoft 365? One of the best ways I think you can get the most out of inking in Microsoft 365 is with the Action Pen. The Action Pen is in the Draw tab in Microsoft 365 applications like Word or Excel, and is always on the right end of the pens to select. Once selected, you can use natural gestures such as scribbling over or crossing out text to remove it, or what about drawing around a paragraph to select it? You can even write over the data in your cell to replace it completely. All of this creates a natural experience that you don't even have to think twice about, making you even more productive. As you can see, inking is fantastic if you're super creative. But with all these features, you don't need to be an artist to actually get the most out of it. So if you're just starting on your inking journey with handwriting your notes, or if you're an absolute inking master at this point in the creative arts, let us know in the comments which has been your favourite feature and if you use any already. Plus, if you're interested in deep diving into even more about Surface, be sure to head to Expert Zone and complete the Surface accreditation. That's all from me though on this deep dive, and I'll see you on the next video.